Guys, my entry actually is around, so anywhere between year and year is my entry. So you can enter basically from the green line to where you're looking at, where is price currently. That's my entry. So yeah, remember guys, this is highly risky trading. FOMC is probably the most difficult news event to trade compared to other news events. It's hard. So just use proper risk management. I don't want to see people complain that they lost all their money. So use proper risk management. Don't full port money that you can't lose. Please, guys, I always tell you all this for every news event. If you only have 1,000 rand to risk, let's say for example only 1,000 rand, you should not be risking more than 500 rand. Keep 500 rand for trading normally, and the other 500 rand if you want, you can risk that. But please, guys, use proper risk management. I'm begging you guys, honestly. Because every news event, when it does go wrong, people say that they don't have money to fund afterwards. And salams, bro. Ahmed, how's it? Bro, Musa, we will get back to you. Don't worry, we should get back to you within a few days. Time we should get back to you. Don't stress. You can enter if you want to, or if you want to wait a little bit more, you can wait a bit more. But you might go into a bit of drawdown, might come back to this green line here. So anywhere between here is my entry. I'm selling goal for NF. Okay. Okay, so we're in the trade, guys. I am in a bit of profits, as you can see. I didn't full port. I am risking money that I'm willing to risk. So if I'm only willing to risk, even if I'm willing to risk only 500 rand, I'll put 500. If I'm willing to risk 2,000 rand, that's what I'm willing to risk. I'll put 2,000 rand in. So today, you guys can see I made about 5,000 rand profit. You guys can see 5,000 rand profit. I don't know if you can see, but I'm not risking my full profit. I'm only risking 2,000 rand from my profit. So just be a bit smart with how you trade news events. Don't risk your whole profits. Only risk part of your profits. So yeah. So please, guys, be a bit smart. For Nasdaq, honestly, I didn't do any analysis for Nasdaq. Normally, gold and Nasdaq follow the same thing, so in the same direction. But yeah, I would say I think probably sells as well for Nasdaq, I guess. But I didn't look at Nasdaq. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't look at Nasdaq, so I can't really tell. We're floating in profit, guys. We're floating in profit. Already in profit. So we entered, we're in profit. Okay, I will full margin towards the end of the last 1 minute or so. I'll full margin. Okay, so we're in profit at the moment. Sell. We're selling at 8 o'clock. So just before 8 o'clock sell, we're looking at sells. But guys, like I said, please don't risk all your profits on learn swing trades because scalping is scary. Scalping is scary. You can easily blow your account. Swing trading is so much more, so much less stressful than normal than scalping, guys. I'm at 500 rand on this trade. Rais gave you guys the entry. We gave you guys the entry. So you guys should be in profit. You guys should be in profit. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not too sure, to be honest. Honestly, I have no clue. But if you do get a good entry in and it does, let's say we market comes to like maybe a year or something, and if it spikes up here, we should be fine because we have entries at the top, so we should be good. Honestly, I don't know, bro. I didn't look at NAS. I'm not gonna look at NAS now because I'm focusing on gold. But so I don't know. I can't really tell you, bro. I can't really tell you, to be honest. I'm not sure myself. There we go, guys. We're looking nicely in profit, 700 rand, 800 rand, 900 rand profit, early profits already. And I did even full port. Actually, get not full porting, to be honest. We up 800 rand, guys. 800 bucks, 900 bucks. Okay, so I need to see a closure below, yeah. But I'm not actually, I shouldn't actually look at this like a proper trade because this is a news event. So we could get. Yeah, look at this. Guys are already cooking in the group. People are cooking already. This guy's up 700 rand. Yeah, you can enter. You were supposed to enter here when I said enter there. But since you missed the entry, I'll just wait for it to come back up. So just be careful, guys. Don't enter now. Do not enter now, please. Just wait. Just wait. If you didn't enter now, do not enter anything. But those who entered are eating nicely. Those of you who did enter, you guys are in profits already. I gave you all a sniper entry here. Sniper, sniper, sniper. I'll go live on Telegram. For the affiliate guys, so okay. I'm selling gold for FOMC, guys. Those of you who just joined, you're selling. What time does the market act? At 8 p.m. So if you didn't enter, guys, and let's say price doesn't come back to our entry, what I would recommend is you wait for the last 10 seconds. Do not follow my time when I say 10 seconds. You're going to follow your own time. You're going to look at your chart and see what it says there. So if your time says 10 seconds towards, you're gonna have to full port yourself. Look at the time. I can't tell you when to full port. So you need to look at the 10 seconds on your time because there is a delay. I always tell you guys, there is a delay with the stream, like a 5 second or 10 second delay. So just be careful. Let's hope you can reject this. I want to see a rejection here. Came back up. I was up like 900 rand. I was up 900 bucks, but we back down. We back up to 500. You can see, guys, we're in profits. We're in profits. How much pips are we up? We're up about. I mean, that's 1,000 pips, guys. What the flip? I actually gave you guys 1,000 pip move. 100 pip move, basically. Insane. I gave you guys 100 pip move. Guys, so don't feel like you lost out on anything. Don't FOMO trade. Don't please don't look to enter now. You missed the entry by some mile, actually. Like by 100 pips is a lot. So just be careful, guys. I'm warning you. Only enter if we get come back to this zone here. So from 4053 to 4048, that is the zone that we look in for sells. Okay, 4053 to 405859 basically. For 49, sorry, you're looking for sells there. But again, if you don't get the entry, full port the last 10 seconds. With only money that you're willing to risk. Still time, plenty time, guys, plenty time. Just relax. Just relax, relax. Unless we get a crazy spike up and it blows the shit out of me, I'm like, yo, I'm gonna be pissed if some shit like that happens. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. There is another one at 8:30. We'll see how that goes as well. But for now, let's just tackle the 8 p.m. one. We're selling, yes, we're selling. But do not sell now because entry was given there. Entry was given there. Price did give you guys the entry on live, so and I'll also give you guys the entry was, so yeah. US30, I don't know, I didn't look at US30, guys. Like, I didn't look at anything else except gold. But if I'm not mistaken, gold and US30, Nasdaq does the same thing. So I don't normally trade Nasdaq and US30 for news. But if you want to enter that, you can enter. I reckon it does sell. Okay, so it's dropping again. We're back into 900 profit. We're dropping nicely. Come on. Question: how many losses you had this week and how many wins? Okay, I will tell you now. You can actually see how many wins and losses I had. I'll go here. VIP, I'll tell you. I didn't have too many losses. A lot of break evens. I'll show you guys. Okay, I don't really keep count of how many wins and how many losses, but all the trades are here. July 20. Oh flip. This is a VIP group. July 28. I think we only had one loss, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, we only had one loss. Let me just double check. Okay, this went into profits. This went into profits. TP's got a hit on these trades. It was taking long. Gold hit TP. This TP you can see 180 pips. We smashed it there. Nasdaq. Okay, we left that to trade. Went up. Oil went up 50 pips. So we did go up profit. So we did go in a bit of profit there. This was Nasdaq going into profit. As you can see, I made about 1,400 and there. High risk and buying gold. Okay, TP2 hit 80 pips. Risking pound and profit, re-entered, made profits. No, yeah, re-entered, we made profits here. 50 pips. So we cooked. We made about 1,000 rand. The only much I made, 1,300. Then Salim gave this trade, lovely sell, cooked, absolutely cooked it there. There we go. Look at that. Buying gold. I think this hit break even multiple times. Yes, I hit a break even. If we hit break even twice, and then I sold gold, and then the sell cooked. You can see the sell cooked, absolutely cooked it. Cooked. Let's see, we cooked 1,700 and profit. Continue to sell. Buying gold, just keep buy. TP1 and TP2 smash. I hope you close. Selling gold now. I think this hit. Yeah, this one cooked. You can see made profit here. Salams, bro. The setup was actually sent out. Here again, I think this was secure now. I think there is a stop loss today. What's the 29th? I hit a stop loss today. Stopped out 60 pips. And then I took two break-even trades. So then, yeah, that was basically it. I don't take any other trade today, but then this is my other trade that I'm taking here today now. But yeah, this is the entry, guys. We entered here. And right now I would say it's a bit late to enter, but wait for the last 10 seconds and you can enter them. But if it does come back here, you can enter. But do not force entry. Do not see if someone entered the I mean they would have gotten cooked. I mean it's coming back at the entry. So just relax for now. Just wait. Another 20 minutes. I mean it'll come quickly. So last 10 seconds of the 20 minutes, you enter cells. So we're looking at cells for this trade. The thing is about what NAS, right? I do try and give Nasdaq signals when I can, but I do trade Nasdaq every single day. So sometimes obviously NAS moves a bit quickly to an NYSE. Like say for example, I'm entering of this. Like I have to wait for candle closure for this thing to happen. So by the time I even go onto Telegram, like it'll already be like by this candle here. By then the entry is basically gone. Sometimes some people only by the time I type it, entries already here. So I'm a bit slow with the entries, typing it out and stuff like that. It is a bit difficult. Obviously, remember I need to get my entry in first. Then I obviously need to send it out, type it out or whatever. So it does. You can move quickly. Within a couple minutes, the entry can be gone. What we trading? Yeah, we're trading gold. How many daily trades doing VIP? Is it just go? Okay, so I give about maybe about 1 to 2 trades a day, basically. So, okay, I would say more than one. Basically 2 to 3. I would say 2 to 3 trades a day. How many? Okay, so how to join a VIP? You can just message my admin. You can message me, one of anyone, and then we will assist you. I'm back in about 300 and profit on this trade. What we trading here? We're trading gold. We're trading gold. We're selling gold, guys. We're selling gold. It's coming back up. So hopefully you guys can get an entry in. Let's see. How do I message, bro? The number. If you're in the group, guys. If you're in the group, you will get the contact details. I don't know if. Okay, let me just see something here. Okay, guys. If you go onto my channel, right, you click under more, and you will see there's a number, contact details, 0638843976. You can contact that number and you can join. There's also obviously my TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, even everything is there. Everything is there, so you can contact the number there. Asa government alaikum. Zero 0638843976. 063-884-3976. Okay, but like I said, you can click on my account, my YouTube account, and you will see, if you click on the more, you will see the number is there. So you can click that. Let's see. Hopefully we can reject from here. Come on. It's coming back to entry, but this is actually a good thing for you guys because you can enter. You can look to enter once it comes back here. Don't full port, please. Do not full port. I myself did not full port as yet. I will wait for the last 10 seconds, but I did get in a few entries. Okay, I did get in a few entries, but I didn't full port. I gave myself sufficient room for drawdown. So even if it goes, let's say example, we do end up like coming all the way up here, I will survive. My trade should survive because I opened for 2K account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can basically handle I can handle probably drawdown until probably here. Basically, I can handle drawdown if it does have to go into drawdown. But that's just me. So I obviously apply risk management and I got my entries in there. So try and get your entries in this zone right here from here to here, this green line. Okay, it's pushing up quite strongly. Okay, so just wait and see. Can we get the entry? It's still around there. So try and see if you can get an entry. Again, guys, don't full port. Do not full port, please. If it's coming up, isn't it? Yes, this is now an IFVG. You basically inverse this fair value cap here. We fail to respect it. So yeah. I'm gonna look at maybe we're possibly coming up here. So let's just wait and see what happens. Alright, if it comes back up there and rejects, we can enter. If it comes back up there and rejects, you can enter. Don't full port again, please. Short buy at 4038. Yo, bro, you entered so low. What the flip? Bro, you entered all the way down here. No ways. Bro, you actually cooking yourself here. Low key, bro. You low key cooked yourself. I can't lie. But I hope you didn't full port. Main thing, if you didn't full port, you should be fine, and your account does have sufficient funds. You should be fine. Don't full port, please. Oh, you entered a. Oh shit. Okay. Wait. Oh, sure. Buy. I didn't see the buy button there. I did short. Okay. Yeah, okay. That's calm. Buy is fine. Buy is calm. Okay. So another 15 minutes left. I'm in drawdown. Almost in drawdown. 15 rand currently. Profit. Okay. It's playing around near my entry. What lot size for 3K account? If you want to enter like when we get to our entry, I would say maybe 0.05, like just for now. Then if you of course you're willing to upload that I mean like you're okay with the account blowing, like if you want to willing to risk it, because that's the nature of news events. Then of course you full port at the last 10 seconds. But open, like basically this is like an anchor trade, in case we do get a spike, we kind of got an early entry, you can be good. So just be careful. No, no, don't not full. Okay, don't full margin now, please. Open at 0.05 when we come to this entry point here. Like this gentleman said, 405340. 47. That's correct. 48. This is 484048 around here. When you go full margin, 0.01s. 0.01s full margin, that shit. Almost time, guys. Almost times. Imagine we almost there. We're almost there, guys. Almost 30 minutes left, guys. Let's hope we can inverse this gap here. Will be good if you can actually inverse this. We are buying, we're selling. This is a sell, we're selling here, guys. Looking at sells. So this was the previous high that we had. This was created at what time? 9 o'clock. No, there was highs. This was Tuesday. This was Wednesday. Okay, this was today's high. Basically, we had the daily high. We rejected off the daily high. Let's say that's okay. This was 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this was a 1 hour. Supposed to be marked like this. Wait, let me just double check your bit. Sorry. So it could actually be a 4 hour. Yeah, that was a 1 hour. That was a 1 hour FUG. That was a 1 hour FUG which we rejected from. I took my sell. Remember, guys, there's no stop loss in news trading. There's no stop loss. Okay, so this is just for like illustration purposes. This right here is just for illustration purposes. There's no real stop loss. Yeah, there's a 4 hour above. I deleted it. I'm just looking at the 1 hour. Looked at the 1 hour. Previously, I got my entry of the 1 hour, the previous FOMC, so I'm just gonna stick with that. We're almost there, guys. It's actually cut cold. Honestly, I'm like freezing. Even with the jacket on, I'm actually freezing right now. Guys, like the live. There's 138 of you. Only 11 people like the live. What the fuck? Only 11 people showed support. They're just here to take signals. They're just here to take the signals. Only 11 people like the live. Imagine. Okay, now people are liking. Hello, Clint. How's your brother? Like the live, guys. Yes, like the live, please. It helps a lot. It helps a lot for the algorithm. I wanna make the streams, grow, of course, remember, the more people can eat with us. The more people join, more people. Yeah, sub up as well. Subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, you'd have to subscribe. Come on. Every day we're trading live. Obviously this last few days I didn't trade. Yeah, okay, today I didn't trade. Monday I didn't trade because I was busy, but Tuesday we traded and today we're trading as well. FOMC. But yeah, guys, subscribe, like the live. You can enter, but I wouldn't. Guys, it's honestly, I'd rather wait for 9 minutes. I would say rather wait for 9 minutes. They should be alive tomorrow. They should be alive tomorrow. Guys, and for those of you who want to trade NASDAQ, let me just check for you guys. I would say, guys, I do believe NASDAQ will obviously follow gold. But okay, we are at this 1 hour gap here. We need to reject, of course. Let's see on the 15-minute quickly. Okay, I know I'm not gonna look at too much. I think I'm losing my behavior. I'll just stick with gold. But I'm looking at salts for gold. Either eating steel tonight or 2 minutes noodles. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Steaks tonight. 7 minutes left, guys. Again, make sure you're only funding your account with money you are willing to lose. Money you are willing to lose, you're funding your account. Do not fund your account with all your money that you have in your trading account, and then you're unable to trade again until end of the month. So please fund your account. It can spike both ways. Yes, it definitely can spike both ways. So I will be careful. I will be careful. Okay, still around our entry. It still doesn't give me a come back to the where I wanted to come back, where I can enter more entries. So you just gotta be patient. Just be patient, guys. Come on. If it spikes up, um, if it spikes up, most probably you will blow. Unless it's a small spike, then you might obviously survive that. But if it's a small spike, you might survive. But like I said, it's a new straight, guys. You can blow easily, very easily. 5 minutes. Yeah, let's go, guys. 5 minutes. Relax, guys. Please. I don't want anyone to be stressing. If you are stressing, guys, it means you're risking too much money. Money that you can't afford to lose. So I'm begging you guys again, please don't risk money you can't lose. This is this is very important that you guys don't do anything that you can't lose money that you can't lose. Please, 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 please. Okay, that's a nice rejection from there. Come on. 5 minutes left until the spike. Yeah, if you're willing to risk only 200 rand, bro, by all means go for it. 200 rand, that's if you're only willing to risk a 200 rand, go for it. Don't risk too much money, then you end up blowing your account and then you don't have money to trade again. Risk something that you're willing to lose and you're not losing everything. Like I showed you guys this morning. I mean, not this morning, just now. I made I made about 5,000 rand this morning. Okay, you guys can see 5,000 rand, and of course, also this is a live account. Okay, that is a live account. I'm only risking 2,000 rand from that 5,000 rand that I made, so I'm keeping 3,000 rand profit. Keeping 3,000 rand profit, I'm only risking 2,000 rand. So I'm not even risking half of what I made today. So just keep that in mind. Don't risk everything. You don't need to risk everything. There's no need. 200 to 2K. Yeah, imagine if I mean like if it does have a very good spike, I mean we could have like a good like a we have a decent we could have something decent. I like this reaction that we had here. We inverse this thing nicely. And it is dropping nicely as well. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Put 200 rand in an infinity account when trading use unlimited leverage. The thing is that there isn't unlimited leverage for news trading. There is no unlimited leverage because people will exploit it. People will actually exploit the unlimited leverage. So they reduce the leverage to -500 if I'm not mistaken. I think for all brokers there is no unlimited leverage for for news because people will absolutely milk them. Like we'll absolutely milk them. Like one news event, if you go unlimited leverage on like a 500 rand or something, we taking that thing to maybe 10K or something. So, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, guys. Guys, remember, look at the time on your side. Do not look at my time. My time is a few seconds behind from what you're looking at. So yeah, do not look at my time. Look at look at the time on your time. Your time on the side of your MT5, you will see um the thing there. Okay, so 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute. Let's go. 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 1 more minute. 40 seconds left. Don't enter yet. Enter. I said the last 10 seconds. Enter during the last 10 seconds, please. Last 10 seconds, you enter. Okay, don't enter now. In case we have a spike back up here, you will be cooked. So last 10 seconds, that's like you're kind of safe, right? So 20 seconds left. On the edge of the seat, but I'm trading demo. Okay, 13 seconds left, guys. 12, 10. You can start entering. 2. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yo, what the flip? Yeah, no, we got cooked. We got absolutely slaughtered there, guys. We got cooked there. Okay, we got cooked big time. We got cooked. What's happened, guys? What's up? What happened there, guys? Oh, we got cooked there. I can't lie. What's everyone saying in the group there? We just blew. And it's just continuing to pile up, yo. Continuing to buy. Let's see what he's actually saying.
And all those things. But the more we deliver on our promises as good supervisors and good regulators, the more benefit we get, the more credibility enhancement we have in monetary policy. When we
everything
deliver
bought.
on our price stability objectives, which we will, the American people will feel as though the hardships that they've been living through, in part because of inflation the last 5 years, are in the rearview mirror, and that credibility will have dividends across what we do and the institution.
Yeah, guys, that obviously did not go well for us. Yeah, guys, that obviously did not go well. That's a part of the game. Yeah, that's part of the game. It's part of the game, guys. Main thing is, I did tell you guys this is news events for you. It is difficult to obviously predict these news events, but I did also tell you guys, do not full port all your money that you made today. Make sure you are keeping. Possible we could look for an entry. Maybe we'll wait for. There is another news event at 8 p.m. Remember, so yeah, let's just see how that goes. 8 p.m. Thank goodness you bought. Lucky you, bro. Lucky you. You bought NAS at least. Okay, some of you guys made profit. That's good. Part of the fun. It is. I mean, that's trading for you. You're gonna win some. You're gonna lose some. So yeah, that's part of the game, guys. It's part of the game. We win some, we lose some. That's how it is. That's how it is. Yeah. Looks like we might come sell down, to be honest. Looks like we might sell. I will wait though for a bit more confirmation and then I'll look for a sell. Let's see if we can get some sort of retracement and then we could sell from there. We could look for something. But currently nothing. Win or lose, alhamdulillah. That's how it is. Call it. Let's see if we can get some structure to form, then we can look for something. Otherwise, we lost it. There is another news event at 8:30. We'll see how that goes. So let's see now. If we can get a bit of structure to form, then I can look for entry for something. There is currently nothing, to be honest. So let's just see. Okay, if this candle closes bullish, I will maybe try and catch a continuation sell buy or something. Okay, I think someone missed a message. I think I'm in the live here actually. I think we should end the live here. Right. Yeah, I think we can end the live, guys. I think we'd rather end the live. I think we're in the live. We come back tomorrow. So yeah, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Normal live streams. We'll see you all today. Unlucky.